Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this simple card with the Hello Irresistible suite, which is part of the new online exclusives. Here's my first simple Irresistible Blooms card. This is a new online exclusive starting March 1st, and it is a suite of products. So you've got the bundle, Irresistible Blooms. You've got the DSP, Hello Irresistible, with all these beautiful watercolory flowers and leaves. And then you've got the really fun loose dots, loose frosted dots. There's 300 of them in here, so you're really getting a lot of good value for your money. So to start, I'm going to start with some of the designer series paper, and I chose this soft seafoam color. I think it's really pretty. Next, I've got some of the flowers and leaves cut out from the designer series paper. So I love it when Stampin' Up does this, and the dies cut out the images. So they cut out the flowers and these leaves, and then there's some other leaves as well. So I just cut those all out of the paper. That's why this is such a simple, easy card. And for this one, I'm going to do 2 of the same color, actually. The last step is just to stamp the sentiment, and I have a little teaser for you here today. If anybody recognizes this color, it is Pretty Peacock. So Pretty Peacock is in one of the colors of the designer series paper. So Pretty Peacock is going to be back. So I thought it would be fun to stamp in Pretty Peacock. And the last step is to add some of these frosted dots. So I'm just going to add some glue where I want to put the frosted dots. And I'm going to use my take your pick tool to grab them and put them in place. So you've got a large, medium, and a small. And that is my simple Irresistible Blooms card. I'm offering a free card class that includes supplies for these 6 cards when you place a $50 order or order the bundle using my current host code. So make sure to go to my website and check it out.